Hello everyone, it's Kaden Weather here. Today we talk about the severe weather that's going to be going on today across parts of the United States. We have our biggest threat today in the central United States. We also have one the central and eastern United States today. So I'm going to be showing you the tornado threat today, the hail, the wind threat, and we're showing you the future models so you know exactly when the storms will hit your area, so stay tuned. But starting off, this is the Storm Prediction Center's convective outlook for today. Where we do see that a slight risk has been issued by the Storm Prediction Center. So we start off with our two areas here. The biggest threat and very widespread slight risk today. Very widespread here for parts of North Dakota, South Dakota, Nebraska, and Kansas there. It includes a lot of Nebraska and South Dakota there. Again, it's very widespread. So up and down, it includes like an entire two states. That really widespread risk. We also have another risk here, not so widespread over here, but it is definitely still a threat today. Um, over here in this risk here, so definitely be weather aware again. Wind gusts 60 to 70 miles per hour possible, large hail damaging winds. And you see that we do have a marginal risk in this area surrounding this. This is less severe weather risk, but wind gusts at the max of 50 miles per hour possible in the marginal risk areas. Before getting any further, I would ask that you do leave a like and subscribe if you like weather-related videos. But without further ado, let's get into the tornado risk. So this is the tornado risk for today. Again, it's not very big, nor is it a very big risk. But definitely still need to be weather aware and stay on alert. So we have a 2% tornado risk over here, including parts of North Dakota, South Dakota, and just a little bit of Nebraska there, but not much in Nebraska. But yes, it includes parts of North Dakota. In this circled area you see there, 2% tornado risk. So if you're in any of these areas and there's 2% there in that green shaded area, you need to be on alert for seeing some tornadoes. So definitely be on alert if you live in that area right there. But let's go and take a look here at our hail threat for today. To give you an idea of who could see some hail. So we do have a 15% risk of seeing some hail in this area right here, including parts of North Dakota, South Dakota, and Nebraska there. Again, move your cars in the garage and stay away from windows if you live in those areas there. We have a 5% risk for some hail in this green shaded area that you see there. But yes, so if you live in any of these areas, move anything in that you don't want to be damaged by hail in a hail protected area. And yes, now let's go and take a look here at our wind threat. So this is our wind threat. It's pretty much the same. Actually, let me back this up and see what's different. Yeah, the only difference is that the wind threat has a area right here that we're looking at, but the wind threat has that, and the hail threat does not have this area that's circled right there. But yes, again, basically same areas here, but we have a pretty big area right here, big chance right there of seeing some damaging winds. But all in this area right here could see some damaging winds. So move any cushions, pots, flowers, anything that's outside that could be damaged or blown away by wind. Definitely move those in a wind protected area, or anything that could be blown over, or anything that could be destroyed by wind and you want to move inside. If you live in this area, go ahead and move that inside before tonight. But yes, that is our wind threat. Now let's go take a look here at the future models to time out exactly when it will hit your area. So again, we're already seeing some storms around 1 o'clock today. So that's not very far from right now. So this is 1 o'clock today. Let's go and time this out a little bit here. So we time this out. That line of storms kind of it dissipates, and then another storm forms right next to it. But we're just seeing, let's back this up just a little bit. We're seeing just a lot of pop-up showers and thunderstorms here starting to pop up around this area here. And then let's see what those pop-up showers and thunderstorms do as you go more into the future here. And then those pop-up showers and thunderstorms, as I was saying, turn into really big storms right here. These are really big storms now that they were turning into. And look, this could be large hail damaging winds, type of storms here that could be bringing with it, and possibly tornadoes. And take this a bit further here. and then they start to move into more of a line of thunderstorms. And then we're seeing a lot more pop-up showers and thunderstorms, but then things start to calm down and dissipate. Now, let's go and take a look here at our Cape values just to end off the video here. Just to show you, Cape values is the energy for storms to form. So if we don't have Cape values, don't have that much energy. But obviously storms have already formed, but let's see how much energy, maybe even after the storms formed, if we have any more energy for more storms to form. So let's wait for it to load up here. So let me zoom this in real quick. So again, it's Cape values here. So this is about 1 o'clock today. Again, we're not seeing that much Cape values, but let's go and time this out. And you just see those Cape values really just explode here, especially in this area right here. We're seeing just about 4,000 kilograms here of Cape values here. 4,500 there in this area here. So this is really high Cape value. So Kansas, you guys can see the energy for storms to form right here. Definitely can see lots of storms. Also some energy over here in parts of this area here in parts of Oklahoma, Arkansas, and that area right there. It's time to sail a bit further now, and as you can see here, it just starts to go away, but maybe, and then yeah, see how, look at tomorrow's threat, look how it's like a lot less. Up here in Nebraska, we saw that really high and stuff, we're only seeing 588 kind of stuff, and then we're going to the thousands just a little bit there. Not seeing a lot of Cape values here. We're seeing more of it here in more east. But yes, let's go and take a look here at the bulk shear. So bulk shear is another ingredient that we need for severe weather here. Just wait for this to load up here. So again, the bulk shear is just another thing that we need for severe weather. But yes, it's loading up here. So we're already seeing here, this is about 1 o'clock, we're already seeing bulk shear already start to pop up here. So that means that we're probably going to see a lot of bulk shear start to pop up here, especially in this area right here in Nebraska here. So definitely seeing already a lot of bulk shear starting to pop up. Okay, now let's try to time this out a little bit more in the future here. So again, bulk shear, it's pretty calm right now, but then we really see wow, the bulk shear just really starts to blow up here just around 4 a.m. here, because like again, this is also going to be a pretty late night situation here. Around 4 a.m. here, we're seeing just lots of bulk shears are starting to pop up in different areas here for severe weather. And then time just a little bit further, and then it starts to come down. Look how much more white this is. Lots of less bulk shear after that. But I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you like weather-related videos. Leave a like, subscribe, comment if you have any weather questions. I should be able to answer them. See that red subscribe button right there? Click on that to subscribe. Leave a like, subscribe, stay safe, stay weather aware, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!